The last couple were the careful ones, the ones test, the human sinned. Good, because the careful habits you just built are exactly the ones worth capturing and reusing. It's Monday, your status update is due, and you open a fresh chat to write it, the same way you did last Monday, and the Monday before, and the one before that. Once again, you start by explaining the format, who it's for, what a good one looks like, for the 4th week running. And of course it forgot. You already know why. New chat, swept desk, every card from last week slid off the edge. It isn't being lazy. It's starting clean, exactly like it always does. Now, before you re-explain it for a 5th time, look here. Your team may already have a fix for this. Many assistants let a company share saved instructions, and yours might have a few waiting. There's one called Status Update. Tempting, but before you trust a shared one, peek inside. It's just written instructions, so read what it does, and which doors it opens. This one only formats text. It doesn't reach into your email or your files. Good, now you know what you're picking up before you lean on it. That's the dial again, verify, then trust. Someone else wrote this one, so you peek before you lean on it. Trust earned the honest way. So what is a skill? Really, think back to the desk. A skill is a starter deck, a small stack of desk cards somebody already wrote. The format, the audience, a worked example. And when you open a new chat, the deck deals itself onto the desk for you before you type a single word. The setup that used to take you 5 minutes is just there. But here's the part that changes everything. You don't have to find a deck someone else made. You can have the assistant write one from a conversation that already went well. Say you just finished a great status update together. The desk is full of exactly the right cards. Before you close the chat, you say one thing, write the instructions that would let you do this again next Monday without me re-explaining. And it drafts its own skill, the format you settled on, who it's for, the example it just nailed, all written up as reusable instructions. Now, you read it. This is still your call. One line says keep it upbeat, and that's not quite you, so you cross it out. You stay the editor. It drafted, you approved. Then you save it and give it a name, status update. Now watch what that buys you. Next Monday, you open a fresh chat, swept desk, same as ever, but this time the deck deals itself first. The format's already there. The audience is already there. What took 5 minutes to set up takes 30 seconds. Same again the Monday after that. You taught it once. One honest thing, so you're not surprised. The deck is the setup, not a memory of everything you've ever done. It deals the format and the shape every time, but this week's actual news, what shipped, what slipped, the numbers, that's fresh. Those cards you still bring yourself, and they still get the 4-check pass, names, numbers, dates, links. The deck saves the how. You bring the what, and you check it. So next time you walk yourself through the same setup twice, stop. Don't explain it a 3rd time, capture it. Solved it twice, teach it once. That's the pilot. 8 episodes, 1 desk, 1 set of rules, and 8 habit cards, 1 earned each week, now stacked in the corner. Go teach it something. Same desk, same rules,